Alright, check this out, bro. Look how good X-Drive is. What's going on, y'all? Back again with another video. Today is the first day of school. I don't know if you guys remember, I did a video like this with the 335i that I had before this. That car was way louder and everything was tuned. I was getting some crazy reactions, but today we were taking the 340i. Y'all know the B58. We're taking this car to school today. I'm probably getting there kind of late because my class starts at like 8, and I don't think I'm getting there until 8, and I have to walk all the way to the class because they charge for parking, bro. To park at the school, and we already pay a tuition fee, to park at the school you have to also pay for parking extra, but I'm not doing that, so I always park somewhere low-key and just walk all the way to the class. But yeah, the X-Drive though, this is crazy. I can just floor it around here if I wanted. That thing grips crazy, yo. Nice little pull. I'm just recording on my phone right now, walking to the class. It's like an extra 5-minute walk because I parked so far. Because they try to charge for parking, bro, and that's hella expensive, so I'm not about that. I think it's worth it though. I don't think parking is worth it. Parking is way too much. That's like the res building over there, one of them, and there's a whole other side on that part. But it's already 8 o'clock right now, so I'm a little bit late. It is what it is though. Sorry, I need to start holding my GoPro in my hand because there was 2 sick cars passing me just now. One of them was a BRZ, and the other was like a truck, but they were crazy, bro, but I missed it. Damn, that junk sounds good. Actually sounds good. I think I might know that guy. This is a gym right here, bro. They have a crazy gym. That's one thing I gotta give them. They probably got one of the nicest gyms for a school. I saw a Beamer. I think it's a girl driving it now. Oh yeah. Yeah, she looking at me, probably wondering why I'm recording. She about to pass, let's see. My bro just spat. I've seen that car on the highway before. I even recorded it. I was cutting up with her. I didn't know it was a girl. I was going to a car meet once and I saw it. But the kids here though, I don't know what they be doing, but they drive some crazy cars. I think there's one of them with like a Mark 5 Supra. And there's a ton of them, bro. I don't even know. They have endless cars. I think that's the same Scion that I saw before. Yeah, I don't know if it's Scion or VRZ or I don't know what it is, but it's clean.
All the cars down, that you need to order. But for the majority, I would say to start off, will be oil changes and tire rotations. And that's how I started too, and breaking down tires. Replacing tires, putting together winter tire and rim packages. If you get into doing the winter and tire rim packages, you will get...
Yo, right now I just have a 1-hour break. Yo, look at this car, bro. A G80, carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber fenders. Ain't no way, bro. I tell you, the people in this school, I don't know how, bro, or what they be doing, but they drive the craziest cars. I ain't gonna cap, this is the first time I saw a G80 here though. I've seen like the Supras and all of that, but bro, G80, this is wild. They got the bucket seats, carbon buckets and everything. I don't know if y'all can see it. Her fleet. That's the Instagram. Probably a girl too. Yeah, it looks like it because even the little pink straps. All of that. This is crazy, yo. I didn't even notice at first, but the plate literally says her M3C. I'm guessing that means her M3 comp. Bro, that thing is hard.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Look at this shit, bro. I think it's a RS3 or it's a S3, I don't even know. It's a S4, my bad. I was saying S3. His fitment goes crazy on that. See, bro, every time I start school, because last term I wasn't in school and then this term I'm back again. And every time I start school, I always have a stock car. Every single time, I swear to God. When I bought the Lexus, as soon as I started modding the Lexus, I was done with school for a little while, and then I started school again. Then I sold the Lexus. That's when the Lexus was modded. So I never drove it to school when it was modded and all. Then I bought the 335. I remember that was non-M Sport and everything to start with. And I was driving it to school when it was stock and all. And then I modded it. I was not in school at that time. And now I'm back in school and I just sold the 335i. Now I'm in a 340i. And it's stock as well. But the 340i is still a crazy car though. Alright boys, so just finished up class, so I am done for the day. First day of school is over with. So right now I'm just gonna do some little laps around the school, stuff like that. But I do need to get my car tinted, bro, because my head mount and everything, when I'm wearing it, bro, everyone be staring at me. I remember it was like that with the 335i until I got it tinted. Then it's way better because no one can see you. You're just doing your thing, just chilling. Let me throw this in Sport Plus. I always roll the window down. I'm actually gonna go this way. This car accelerates so fast. Like I said, it's probably the X-Drive. The top end speed isn't the craziest. It still pulls, but definitely after a tune, you know, like third gear and fourth gear is still gonna be crazy. So can't wait for that. But everyone's always vibing for the first day of school. Everyone's excited and all. And this is like prime time. It's like 2 o'clock, so everyone's still at school right now. So it is packed, yo. I've turned the AC off. Try to save some power because I already don't got a lot, so gotta save what I can. I'm gonna park up somewhere though for a thumbnail and all that, and I'll let you guys hear the stock Bravos. There's a little bit, but it's just not loud. You guys won't hear when I'm driving like this. On a little pull. All of this, bro, this is all still on campus. It's huge, and I don't even think it's not even the biggest college or uni or anything around this area. Bro, I looked up that girl's page with the M3, and she is rich, yo. She got a Huracan STO. That's crazy. And I believe she had a 911 GT3 before. I've seen her page before, but I just did not know that was her car. And yeah, I think she got like a Range Rover, like the V8 ones, the fast ones. Crazy, yo. Alright, check this out, bro. Look how good X-Drive is, if y'all have never tried it before. I did slide a little bit. That's surprising. I was gonna floor it all the way, but there was a bird. Didn't look like it wanted to move, but y'all see how crazy that is, yo. If this is your guys' first time watching me, this car, I just got it not even a week ago, I don't think. So that's why I'm like testing out everything and talking about X-Drive, because the car is new to me. I just got it, bro. I had a 2012 F30 335i. So it had the N55 engine, and that car was rear wheel drive. So still a F30, so it kind of looks like this a little bit, but completely different cars. Actually, I'm gonna go straight this time. Oh, here's the Supra, bro. That Supra I've been talking about this whole video. I don't even know if this road is meant for cars, bro, but I am on it and I'm not turning back. But look at the Supra, yo. Actually clean. I love the color on it. I'll give you guys a little close-up look on the Supra. I don't know why I thought I could come down here. My car is dirty. I need to wash it. I've never washed this car since the day I bought it, bro. I never washed it. It's crazy. But I got some little mods coming. I got some cosmetic mods coming in. Show you guys a picture of the 335i if you've never watched me before, like I said. Oh shit, I think you gotta pay to go in there. Damn, my bad, bro. Yeah, you gotta pay for everything, yo. I don't know why you gotta pay for parking and you're already paying your tuition fees. It's kind of crazy, but it is what it is. I'm gonna try to park right here for a thumbnail. That's looking pretty fire. Oh shit, someone needs to get out, bro. They probably wondering the fuck wrong with this kid. My bad, lady. Got some nice JDM cars and 6 Series, I'm pretty sure. Probably not even a Civic, I don't know, but I know it's some JDM. Big 6 Series. I like the 6 Series as well, especially like the M6. You never see them, but when you do see them, they're crazy. They're huge though. Damn. I don't know if that's a SI. If you guys know much about like the Civics, if it's a Civic, let me know. I think so. The seats, I think, say it. Yeah, the seat says SI on there. It is hot today. I turned the AC off to save some power, but bro, I gotta turn it back on. I'm burning up in here. Let me know if any of y'all are in college as well, or you guys are planning to go into college, or let me know, bro. Let me know what you guys are doing, or if you're all in high school, just let me know. This parking lot, this is the most expensive one, and this is the one, that's where the M3 was parked. Yeah, they do charge different rates, bro, for the parking lot, because this one is right in the middle, so it's more expensive to pay for this one. Crazy, y'all. But yeah, they got a whole setup, bro. I did not even walk over there. Oh, 328. What we got here? An Audi. That's the one that was driving earlier. I know that guy. And there's that clean ass Honda again. I believe it's a Civic though. Correct me if I'm wrong, bro, but I believe so. A bunch of content coming out. Like I said, the build is coming together. It's a new car. I just got it. So y'all stay tuned. But thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And I'll catch y'all again in the next one.